Hi guys, how are you? So remember when I talked to you guys about the Philips Lumea laser at home? Well, I really wanted to fill you up on what happened since then. I've been using it religiously, and honestly, I'm super happy with the results. First of all, it doesn't hurt. Second of all, it really works. Third of all, it's so practical. Lately with the whole pandemic, I've been feeling like slightly uncomfortable to go anywhere to do any of my usual beauty routines. I try sometimes, but not always. So if I have the option to do something at home, I will definitely take it on board. And to be honest, like, I'm gonna bring it here. This thing is honestly a lifesaver. You guys have to try it out, and I'll tell you why. You just literally charge. So you have the charger that you can easily charge it. It's super fast, and I like that everything fits in here. So you have in here, I have the machine, which you can basically, what you do is you choose the intensity that's the right one for your skin, and it's all written in here. Super easy. You have the skin type, skin tone, and light and setting intensity is right here in the book. So basically mine is medium brown. I'm not really dark. Basically medium brown is you rarely sunburn and you tan easily. This is basically me. So the light intensity setting should be 3 to 4. So I set it in here, 3 to 4. I turn it on, obviously. So you basically turn it on. You're gonna hear like a sound. Do you hear it? Okay. So you turn it on and you put the intensity here, which is with the arrows. You have to put it at, I'm gonna show you. You have to put it at an angle right there. Don't tilt it or go that way. It has to be like literally straight at an angle, and just do every single area, section it, whatever area you want to do. So it's just, honestly, it's literally for the face, for the bikini, for the legs, for the arms. I mean, you can choose literally which one. It's so easy to change it here. You just remove it like this, and then you put whatever section you want to do. And don't forget that this one with the cord, it takes around 2 seconds for it to work, and without a cord can take up to 3.5 seconds. And then you just honestly, the catalog has every information you can. So easy to follow, and just make sure it's at a 90-degree angle. Don't tilt it right or left, so you can get a really smooth finish. And enjoy.